Welcome back. Today we will complete our Earth planet by placing yellow as a desert and green for forest colors. And like in our Earth planet, I should keep in mind the borders of my colors. Well, you can draw this line to highlight where are your yellows and where are our greens. I reversed the frame and again emphasizing an approximate division of my colors. Starting from the green, I keep my frame on the same side as in the previous lesson. You may always keep the colored pictures next to you in order to be more precise. So I start my making lock somewhere between India and Bangladesh and drawing a snake or serpentine line by placing a bead after each empty stitch. Try not to place two beads at the same time and keep following the green color borders. And thus I'm filling the land with my green color. At the point where you have islands, I suggest you not to cut your thread to start over again from making lock, but try to skip breaking your thread, adding more locks. Instead, I recommend you to place 3 stitches without beads as close to the blue thread as possible. Then you will receive a beautiful effect of a flowing line. However, be precise and very clear when you're drawing the borders of your islands with your thread. So it must be very precise and very accurate, since we want it to be clear to understand that this is our islands and this is our land, etc. Just use your common sense. So I'm completing with my borders, with my islands. Without placing locks, just continuing the line. And also highlight every corner of the land that you're embroidering. And we're done. Next, I'm ready to continue with the yellow color. And again, I'm trying to visually empathize the right division of the land. According to your fantasy, you may choose different colors and make it in one particular color, for example, without any division. This is completely up to your imagination. My planet is ready, and I would like you to repeat. However, you can always choose a different hemisphere and even the other technique of embroidery. I just want you to dream up your own planet.